Hello everyone, in this short video I'll show you how to install Fastboot Drivers for when your device doesn't show up in Fastboot like this. Fastboot devices, right? You see, it doesn't show up. Even if you try to install anything, it will return an error saying that there is no devices connected. So, well, to fix this, you need to download Google USB drivers. Yeah, I'll put in the description the links. You'll need this generic USB driver from Google for Android, and also you need the SDK part for choose these ones for Windows, and this zip file for the USB driver for Google. Yeah. Oh, to show you that my device is connected, it is here, but it doesn't work. Doesn't know what to do with it because it doesn't have a driver. So to fix it, you need to go to the place where you download it. I've already extracted it here, so here it is. Here's the SDK one. This will be the content on it, and this is the content of the USB driver. You can also try to download the other OEM USB drivers from your manufacturer. Down here you have Asus, Dell, Intel, Motorola, Samsung, Xiaomi, and all these other ones. Okay. After that, you download it, and then you come into this folder and right-click it. This .inf file, the setup information. This is the file that will install the drivers, like the content that is here. So then you right-click it and hit install. The first time that you execute this, it will ask you for the signature from Google. So you just click yes, it's safe. Then you press OK, and right now the drivers are installed, but you need to set up your Android device after this. So show you. See, it's still here. So then you come to update driver. You come here for browse my computer and let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then you choose this Android device. This is the driver that you just installed, and then you hit next, and then you come here to Android bootloader interface. Then you go next. It will show you a warning saying that if that's not the correct driver, the device will not work properly, your computer may crash, or things like that. Just hit yes. And then it will update the drivers, the device will be configured. Then you close it, you see it's not here anymore. It's up here. And right now it's working. We come here and type Fastboot devices. There's my device. So yeah. This is a problem for me because I have a OnePlus 5T, and their drivers just doesn't seem to work on Windows 10. So I found this way to fix this problem, and well, it just works. Well, that was it. Thanks for watching.